Hey, how's it going?
It's good. How are you?
I like when packages arrive in the
Yes,
mail,
you
especially
do.
palmy packages. So I know in here there is some hardy palms from Zone 8A, from established palms. So these are the offspring from 30-year-old Trachycarpus palms that we planted a few decades ago in Zone 8A. So in a area about 30 miles southeast of Vancouver, and we planted them as seedlings. The seedlings we planted were grown from seed taken from palms that were planted in the 60s. So now we got a box of them that have just been shipped to us.
Okay.
From a friend of mine.
Yeah, and the ones he has at his house, I mean, they're beautiful.
Well, they're 25,
like,
30 feet tall
yeah,
now.
They're,
and we planted them as seedlings, okay? So
they're the same as this kind here.
Yeah, so it's Zone 8A and sometimes Zone 8B. But I'm sure this last winter was probably, well, this last winter could have been low end of Zone 8B or high end of Zone 8A. So let's see how many palms are in here. These self-seeded at the base of the mother palms. And a buddy of mine pulled them out. Phoned me the other day, says, I'm going to ship these to you. So let's see. He's got these babies packed in here real good. That's how to pack palms. That's how to do her.
Hey, it says Clementi on there. CLE.
Yeah, but on the front here it doesn't. It says Cla. It was an A. See, it says Cla on there.
Oh, but on the side it says.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so ready? Let's open these up and check them out. They were growing like weeds. Nice. I'm going to be busy potting this stuff up this weekend.
I think so.
I gotta find the opening here. Well, let's just open her up.
Oh wow, look at them.
There's a lot of them in there.
So some of them have like 3 or 4 leaves on them
there's
already.
lots of trachys in here. Trachycarpus, fortunei.
Thank you, Phil.
Thanks, Phil. There we go.
Phil and Kathy.
Gotta like having palmy friends that grow a lot of palms. So, see, he's got them bundled up like this. That was nice. A lot of work.
Good for him. Wow.
Look at that.
That is so nice.
Beautiful. So, just put them down here. There's 3 bundles.
Wow.
4 bundles.
Look at them all.
5 bundles. You know what I'm going to be doing this weekend? 6 bundles. 7.
Wow.
8 bundles of Trachycarpus fortunei palms from Zone 8A.
Nice.
And these have self-seeded, and
wow.
You've been to his garden many times. You know what it looks like.
Beautiful.
It's unbelievable. His palms really are 25, 30 feet tall. So there we go, folks. Lots of palms from a colder climate.
Now.
Okay, folks, like and subscribe for more videos on Gulf Island rock. Lots of palmy stuff here, and of course some random videos we like to throw in there. So anyway, thanks for watching. And if you want to learn about growing hardy palm trees and other exotic plants here in the North Pacific, stay tuned for more funky videos. Cheers and aloha from the Southern Gulf Islands.
Happy palm planting.
Happy palm planting.
Gulf Island rock.